Greetings Earthlings, I hope you're all well. So I was going back through my phone looking through, deleting stuff that I don't need, and I found this really quite cute photo of, no, it's a video, sorry. I'm very tired, been working on the montage. I found this really cute video of the cat. One day we were sitting on the bed, I think we'd just been tidying up, and we got the cat food container and said to the cat, see if you can get some out, and she actually did. So that's what you'll be seeing. I thought I'd just add a little explanation, and yeah, I think it's quite cute. What's that?